Hey guys, welcome back to Crafts with Rar, where we do crafts, play games, do challenges, and so much more. Hey, do you know who's beside me? Because today we're doing a one color challenge collabing with the Moon Queen of Night. That's her YouTube channel, Luna. So we're doing the one color challenge, except there's a twist. It's that we're both gonna be blind. So I pick a color in the spinner, then we're gonna be blindfolded. Well, I went ahead and picked it before the video, so don't mind. And then we have to scroll a lot and then stop at one point, pick that random outfit, and then see how it looks, and we compare. And one of them, we're going to do it in the ball. So what you do, you set the green filter on the outfits, and the hair is like you just have to click color. So you need everything. Max is 5. For me, for this game, we're doing 5 max accessories. Yeah. So I wasn't sure if she was recording or not, but she is. Although hers went a bit glitchy, so she's going to get the footage of everything. So this video is actually going to be on her channel as well. So you can see her on the back. She's saying, okay, this is going to be hard. Yeah, she's going to go far away, so we're going to separate. So I scrolled, did an eeny meeny miny mo with the skirts, and then got Cottage Princess. Did that green. I should have done eeny meeny miny mo with the other ones as well. Heels, I only have one heel because I don't really want to spend money on heels. It's not my thing. See, they don't even show up now. Ooh. So I got the Day of the Dead bracelet. Okay, yeah. That's a good idea to delete all my accessories because it's going to be less fair. Because I always keep my earrings on. Even in real life, I always keep my earrings on. And so it's good to, it's going to look like I have extra accessories. Flip hat. Weird combination. Okay. Ooh, the skirt is Aphrodite shoulder. Oh, Iron Bay. Oh, a festive hair bow. This is a voiceover, by the way. If you see me redoing it ever, just know that I opened my eyes a bit too early and didn't really properly land on something. So I think here's where I did how to do a couple of times. So see. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, see, that looks, if I wore that, it would look like I staged it, which I didn't. So right now, I'm just doing closing my eyes and scrolling my mouse around to see what type of style I'm gonna get. Then I do the, scrolling through that. I should have done that with outfits too, but it's okay. So this is my outfit. Honestly, yeah, the hat is very awkward. It's just a beautiful, it's like a bonnet, honestly, on that. That one I went too much on the hair accessories. Well, it's not really my fault, but still. Ooh, bubble pop. I don't know how this works, because I usually do this fast, and I get less, but when I do it really slow, I got more, 97. Okay, so we're gonna wait for Luna. So I'm gonna walk over. Luna, Luna. Yeah, so this whole day we just skipped class. We came a bit late too. Not that bad. It's not really our fault. Okay, where is Luna? Where did she go? Oh, she's right there. So, yeah, the hair is actually not that bad. So Luna was supposed to be recording, but something she didn't press the record button by accident, or maybe it went off. So she didn't end up recording. Wah wah wah. Okay, so when I'm bored on Roblox, I just start talking to random people. So I wonder if they wanted to look at her video. I barely know who those people are. So anyway, while we're waiting, make sure to go to subscribe to me and turn post notification on, so you'll be upload. You'll get this every single time I upload a video. Comment, share, and subscribe. And like this video. I don't know where the reward board went, but yeah, I'll keep track. Also, for Fashionista, yeah, I'm basically reflecting on my outfit now. On Fashionista, what you have to do, I'm delayed really badly on Fashionista. That's not a good thing. So because I don't know why, some people didn't unfriended me on Roblox, so I have no communication, even though they got a really good mark. Also, none of the participants watched Fashionista, so I don't know if all the participants agree and let that pass and we work on a new show all together, that would be good. But so comment down below, what do you think? She's almost done, I think. Yeah, I only got one pair of heels, like I said before. Okay. She's done. Now compare it. Obviously, she won this. Hers looks so much better than mine. My head looks like an Oompa Loompa. I don't know, when you have a good outfit, she has black shoes. I just realized this. Oh well, I'll let that pass. Black is not a color. Yeah, hers for sure is better. The next color is blue. I spinned it ahead of time before we went on. Like, before we continued. Okay. What's going on? Yeah, so this is the one where it's going to be so interesting. We're going to twist this up for the ball. Well, there's something that doesn't happen at the end, but I won't spoil that for you. Now I'm going back to my area. Yep, we're still blindfolded. So yeah, we didn't really go wandering around. The thing I don't like about this school is it's really big and really hard to get around. Royale High, new one, you can just walk around it. And it's literally 2 floors, but at stairs. It's more flexible. I don't have to wait 10 minutes in the elevator. That's right. And the good part, you don't have to waste your money on food because you can just eat leftovers. Tips. So this week, as I said in our craft haul video, we will I'm gonna upload 2 squishy videos, so please stay tuned for that. Okay, now with the accessories. I was just trying to go for the pom-pom, but then I realized, wait, this is blindfolded. Okay. Oh, by the way, my old videos were, yeah, see, I did that same mistake. My old videos were voiceover because I didn't know how to do it properly, so now I do, so I can do it. Whoa, this is weird. Every time I try this challenge, I always get the big royal stroll in the garden outfit when I have the ball. Oh, this was the first time I did this. Anyway. Okay. So yeah, I have 5 accessories. So when I did this, what happened? I started going down and just suddenly went to skirts when I opened my eyes. Yeah, the rose. Slowly. This was a misfit. This outfit would have been perfect without that. I'm not kidding. It would have been perfect without that. Oops. Yeah, so since I got one of them in the same blue, it makes sense to make the rest of them in the exact same blue. So there's 3 blues. I didn't even need my Nemo with them. There's a dark, a greeny, and dark blue. So I didn't even need my Nemo with the light blue, sky blue. Okay. Yeah, it actually isn't that bad. Really cute. The floaty's a misfit. Just saying. Yeah, so in this challenge, I didn't do my face. I like keeping my face the exact same. I don't like the other faces. I always keep that face. If you didn't realize. Always. This is so weird. Why is there a picture of the skirt in front of her? That's what I don't get. It's literally a picture. It's like holding a cardboard box picture in front of her. I asked her, but I thought it was only my screen, but it's showing up on this as well. Maybe that's why it was free. Maybe call me Bob. So she made a mistake. But then she realized, oh, maybe someone else would want this. And then she made it free. Yeah. Because it was free for a little bit, but not forever. I really feel... Yeah, we missed the ball. And it was dedicated to the ball, this one. But don't worry, because I'm going to post another video of us doing this challenge. And it has a nice color. And we're actually going to the ball. Sorry for spoiling that. Yeah, we're going in the dance. There's also one more star in that video, which I don't really know. Oh, she didn't finish. Yay! See, this is why I do Sunset Island. Because Sunset Island, when you win, you get a lot of money. Cash, cash, cash. I'm trying to save up for, in the beginning of this video, when Luna was wearing those bangles, I wanted to save up for those, but I'm not that rich. We literally ignored the notifications the whole time. Okay, I think she's done. You know what's funny? Today I got that yesterday when I did my unbox spinner wheel thing in Royal High, I got that visor. Not that, I don't even know what shabby means. Sorry. Oh my god. Yeah, see, I didn't really pay to get my name changed to colors. And done. I